Hi everyone, this is Quantum Cats. Today we're diving into Figma's upcoming IPO, which could raise up to $1.5 billion, potentially making it the largest US tech IPO of 2025, edging out CoreWeave. The offering is priced at a $16 billion valuation, but before you bet your money on it, let's break down the essentials. First, the financials. Figma's estimated annual revenue is around $821 million as of Q1 2025, reflecting a 48% year-over-year growth. The company is on track to hit $1 billion in revenue by year-end. Even more impressive, Figma is already profitable, reporting $180 million in net income for the trailing 12 months. Its gross margins? A stellar 88 to 91%, showing the power of SaaS. Build once, scale infinitely, minimal extra cost. Next, user traction. Figma began as a free invite-only beta in 2015, officially launched in 2016, hit 1 million users by 2019, and quadrupled that to 4 million by 2022, and reported at 10 million. Today, it boasts 13 million monthly active users. On the enterprise side, it has more than 11,000 customers paying over $10,000 per year, and 1,000 customers paying over $100,000 annually. That's some serious B2B momentum. You might remember the Adobe acquisition drama. In 2022, Adobe tried to acquire Figma for $20 billion, aiming to eliminate a rising threat. Regulators in the US, UK, and EU stepped in, arguing that Figma was not a complement to Adobe XD but a direct threat. The deal was officially scrapped in December 2023, with Adobe paying a $1 billion breakup fee. So where does Figma stand now among the design giants? Adobe, valued at $157 billion, with 700 million monthly active users and a multi-product empire across design, video, docs, and enterprise. Canva, valued at 32 to 40 billion, with 220 million MAU, dominating the drag-and-drop creative space and expanding into AI tools and workplace collaboration. Figma, at 16 billion, it's smaller in scale but punches hard in its niche collaborative product design and UI, UX, with high efficiency and viral adoption. Now, the IPO itself. Figma filed its S1 with the SEC on the 1st of July, 2025, kicked off its roadshow on the 21st of July, and is expected to go public the week of the 28th of July under the ticker FIG. Where can you buy in? Retail investors can request early access via Robinhood, the simplest route, or use platforms like Fidelity, SoFi Invest, Webull, or Charles Schwab. Just submit an indication of interest and confirm your order once pricing is finalized. Personally, I use Robinhood for IPOs and meme stocks. It's fast and easy. So, there you have it. Strong financials, explosive user growth, a failed $20 billion takeover. Now preparing for a major public debut. Do your research and decide if Figma earns a spot in your portfolio. This is Quantum Cats, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.